Well, look, I'm Brendan Bovill and we're in Jamberoo. I think the fact that it is just so beautiful and it's so peaceful, it's remote without being sort of hugely remote. It is close to the city. We decided when we came here that we needed something that was under 2 hours from Sydney, and this just ticked all the boxes for us. Well, it's a fairly big home. It's four bedrooms, and then we've got a pool house which has another room. We also have a swimming pool, of course, which has a filter. We do use a lot of energy, and in winter it's got a reverse cycle, so of course we do have the heater on. We don't use the air conditioning so much in summer, but it is a house that uses a considerable amount of power, even though there's only 2 of us. When we first moved here, we in fact inquired about solar. And we did it on 2 separate occasions, but this was shortly after we moved. And the people that came out said, "I'm sorry, it just wouldn't work because you do go into shadow, in winter especially, fairly early in the afternoon," and they said it just wouldn't pay. And we got that answer twice. We found out that with the new system and the incredible efficiency of it, that it was going to pay, and indeed it does. We wanted the best. I think to save money if we could. Our bills when we first, I think when they were at their worst, they were somewhere between $1,200 and $1,500 a quarter. We then spoke to our supplier, and this was after we got an email from other suppliers saying, shop around. They then sort of met the price. The bill then came down to about $1,900, $1,000. Our last bill, which we got from them, we had a credit of $35. So it works. It works well.